How to play anime fighting simulator X in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play anime fighting simulator X on Roblox. It's a simple process, so follow along. I'll be discussing the Anime Fighting Simulator X experience on Roblox and how to join it. So this works on any platform, so just go ahead and open Roblox and search for Anime Fighting Simulator. It has over 1 million visits and so it's very popular. However, if you try to join that one, you will encounter a black screen and you won't be able to do anything. You can see the menu buttons, but it won't load. You will be stuck, unable to interact, even if you go to the settings or the admin area. This particular experience seems to be broken right now, and there is only about 11 people active, most of the people whom are stuck on the menu. If you really want to play Anime Fighting Simulator, you just should try either Anime Simulator or Anime Fighters Simulator. The core idea is the same in both, and many people prefer Anime Simulator, and it's also available on consoles as the title suggests, and it's a well-made and polished experience. You can invite friends, and there is an initial cutscene that guides you through the tutorial. It's similar to Anime Fighting Simulator X, but since that one is not working, this is the one to join. You will be able to train and learn how it works. So join Anime Simulator instead of experience Anime Fighting Simulator X on Roblox. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.